Hi there. Today we will see some key points about the IBCC attestation process of your matric as well as intermediate documents. So before moving forward, I request you to subscribe my channel. So it's a good news that IBCC has set all the education boards for online attestation to be sent to IBCC. So manual or sealed envelope attestation is now aborted. You don't need to take sealed envelopes to IBCC office. Now just checking the application method just after the attestation of your documents from your respective board, just go to the official website of IBCC. If you are a first time user, you can just register here, and if you are a second time user, you can just log into your account. After logging into your account, you can create your new application from this option. Here you have to fill your personal information, your contact details, your address, your postal address, as well as your permanent address. If it's same, just click on the checkbox, then save and next option. Here you will upload your CNIC front side as well as CNIC back side. File size is mentioned here. After uploading your CNIC front side as well as back side, just go to the qualification option, and here you will fill your matric as well as intermediate. After filling your matric details as well as your intermediate details, you also have to submit your certificate as well as mark sheet of matric and intermediate both. After adding your matric as well as intermediate details, just go on the save or next option. Here you will get three options of your attestation of your documents. You can go to the appointment option, through your option, or through express services option. Click one by one on them. You can read the details and the difference among three options. You can choose the option according to your own ease. I will choose this option here, and then we'll click on the save our next option. And here I will select the documents that are going to be attached from the IBCC. You can see the fees for each of document. Then click on the save or next option, and this is the last step. Here you have to choose your center from these. After choosing your center, you have to click on the authorize option, and here you will select your date or appointment for the IBCC attestation, and just click on submit option. Your application will be submitted successfully in the IBCC website. You can download or print your application as well as your challan. Just pay the challan in the bank or online mode, and visit the IBCC office with your original matric as well as intermediate documents. This was the easy method for the application to the IBCC. If you have any query, you can talk to me, and thanks for watching the video.